make sure you follow the instructions. Once you've copied this spreadsheet to your account, make sure you activate the add-on first before you do anything else. This spreadsheet makes use of the following functions. So we're going to use rankings to get the BSR, reviews, SKU list to automatically pull in all the products that are in your account. My price is a new one which will grab your lowest offered price, as well as all the other offerings if you have multiple sellers on your listing. You can also use this to track if anyone is hijacking your listing, so that if you are the only private label and somebody else is coming on your product, then you know that if there's a difference in the price, you can quickly identify it, as well as looking up the category and sales count to do a quick last 30 days. The dashboard is broken up into several sections. This one is going to let you enter a specific SKU. So right now I've got this one entered here, and it will load in the latest 5 reviews. If you want to change it to something else, let's say I've got this one, and if I want to change it to a different one, just copy and paste the SKU into that cell and it will be updated automatically. This section will show you the top 10 rated products based on the average rating, and this grabs it from the information that you plug into review data. Everything that you enter here, the blue text, is either a formula or something that you can edit directly. So if you have more than, say, the number of current SKUs that I'm showing in this video, then you'll be best to drag the formula to fill in the rest of the information. This applies to the price details as well, which goes into details about your lowest price, a lower offered price. This column simply checks whether your price is the lowest offer or whether there's somebody else, and that way, if it is, then it will light up. I'm showing you that there's a lower price than yours. To get the full details, what this section is actually going into details, the dashboard, you can go scroll to the right side, and this is where you can actually pull in all the different offers. So right now this is a book, and by showing this you can see that there's currently 4 active offers on this book, and it will show you the full details as well as all the other information related to who is selling it and their stats. So this is how to use this spreadsheet. Keep in mind, just follow the instructions. Yellow boxes is for inputs. Blue text in this spreadsheet means that it's a formula, so it's something that you will have to either drag down to populate or edit. So I hope this helps and enjoy it. Thank you.